Hi, this is Frank here, and in this video I'm going to show you the reporting tools that SmartOrder ePortal system offer. And in the sales summary tab in here, you will see there are 9 different reports that is offered. So let's go through the first one, the sales summary. The sales summary outline that the total sales of your restaurant from start of the account to the current time. So if you want to add, if you want to filter a specific time that between a period, you can do it by just clicking the day box in here. For example, we want the day back to August 1st, and then to 1st of December, and then click go, and it will automatically recalculate the sales report for you, and you can export the sales data as well. So in the sales report, you can have a look on the different value, like some very detailed, like average service time per order. And for the sales summary by staff, the function and the information is basically the same as the sales summary. However, the main difference is that it can actually filter your staff specifically filter the sales that is done by the staff. For example, staff 1 in here. So you click go, and you can see the report will update to the the sales number that is done by that staff, which is 200 in between that period. So sales by staff, in this report you can actually have a much clearer view that sales by different people. And the green area here show that 85% of the sales is done by people who didn't sign into the Smart POS system, and the other 50% is done by these 2 members. And the same as the sales summary report, you can filter the report by the period of time in here and click go. And the hourly customer by day, this will actually allow you to monitor the customer that is serving in your restaurant. So for example, we have some dummy data in here on September 12th, and you can see that on that day there are 7 customer visits at the time of 10 a.m. and there are 3 customer visits at the time of 9 p.m. And you have to specifically given the date that you want to look at. For example, December 20, there's no data here, so it will not show the graph. And the hour sales by day, the same function like the previous report, but it's going to show you the sales number. For example, the 10 people only served 232, and 3 people served 413. So this will be very important, the daily sales chart. So you can actually monitor your restaurant performance by sales. So it will show you that your revenue by day, and you can see that it's decreasing because I didn't put as much dummy data as I should. So you can filter it by the time of period. For example, I want to only see September report, so I filtered by September. So you can see that September I have this chart. And the visit chart, daily visit chart, is the same as the sales report, but it tells you the number of customers that visit your restaurant instead of the revenue that generated by the restaurant. And the popular dishes ranking, sorry, this user is actually using a Chinese menu. So we have the the most popular dishes by using a circle chart, and you can see which dishes is most popular in your restaurant, and you can according this to actually manage your inventory, or maybe to upsell your dishes. And finally, the working hour by staff members. You can actually monitor how many hours that your staff worked at for. For example, if you want to just look at the period of September, so I add the filter in here, September. So click filter, and you can see that you can filter the total number of hours that staff member worked in between this period, which is just a quarter of the hour, because there's. So thanks for listening. If you have any question, just contact us directly.